So we've been running our solar wires. These wires lead directly to the solar panel out there, and we are going to test them today, and this is the first test. So these solar wire go directly into the AC units, and these go directly to the solar panel that are out there. And I wanted to test that indeed our hybrid air conditioning unit, which is on and turning and cooling in here in this suite in here. I'm outside the back of the building, and it is cooling that building. The electrical wire that basically is supposed to plug into the grid. Open this window. So tell the people, is this thing connected to the electrical wire? All right, there is the plug. It's completely disconnected, and this is running now entirely off of solar. And is it cooling in there?
It's cooling.
It's cooling perfectly. It's cooling in there. So these are some of the things that we are talking about installing for people here in Liberia. The sun can shine as much as it wants. In fact, you will be happy because the more the sun shines, the more your air conditioning unit is blowing AC. It's almost like you're getting AC for free because now it's just running entirely off of the sun. And what time is it now? It's still early morning. We're just testing this one. We have about 10 of these to go.
4 minutes after 10.
4 minutes after 10 a.m. We just connected one of them, right? This is the connecting tools. I just basically opened it, fixed it, and connected to the wire. This wire is actually going to go upstairs to the top floor, that one and that other one. That's where these wires are going. But before taking the wires all the way up there, I decided to just test it on the one that is down here, right? And why am I doing that? Because these wires are not the best wire I wanted to get from the US. I got these wires from here. These wires are made in India, but they are some of the best wires. So I wanted to make sure that I don't labor too much, carry them all the way up there, and then found out that they're not doing the job. But here they are doing the job. And if you're doubting whether these things are coming directly from solar panels, I'm going to follow the line so you can see where these wires are coming from. So they go through these gray pipes because that's what we're bringing all the way back to the building. So they are in that gray pipe. And sorry about the mess all back here. This is the back of the building. We're having cleaned up. Construction work is still happening here, as you can see. Tile layers are working. But again, follow the wire through that pipe, right? We're going to go back there. And excuse the mess. We're going to follow that gray pipe. Keep following that gray pipe. Keep following that gray pipe. Keep following that gray pipe. And it comes here. Comes here. You can see we started this job yesterday, so it's still fresh. Follow that gray pipe. Follow this gray pipe. Follow this gray pipe. So no one can say, oh, this guy is using grid power. And that AC unit can use simultaneously. That's why it's hybrid. I can plug it into my actual power that is running through the building and onto this solar system. These extra solar panels that we are now using, these solar panels don't go into the inverter. So that's the wire we are following. Keep following me. Keep following me. And it comes here. You see what happened? Nothing goes this way. And it goes up on top of this container. And what do you see? The solar panels. These solar panels are entirely throughout the length of the container. So there are smaller panels, very small panels. Each of those is 320 watts. There are 6 of them on one of the AC units. There are 12 panels altogether up there. Whew, that is what we are doing. So here, this is our major solar grid installation. And we have some extra panels here. The extra panels that are here that we are now using for our grid power, we are running the wires again. You see the wires up there? We're running them. We're going to bring them all the way here, drop them here, and lay some gray pipe and continue and put those wires through here and carry them so that we can power all, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8 ACs are currently installed. We're going to run these wires to supply all of these 8 ACs. We still need to install 2 more hybrid solar AC. And we already have extra panels here that are not being used in our power production system. Those extra panels will be connected directly to those AC units, and we have perfect AC. That's the deal, guys. So come to us. We build really reliable and tested solutions for you. So have your peace of mind in Liberia under 24/7 air conditioning system.